We all want to impart as much flavor as possible into whatever goods come out of our kitchen. One of the best ways to get as much flavor as you can in your baked goods is to infuse your sugar. I've got in this bowl about a tablespoon of freshly grated lemon zest and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour my sugar into the lemon zest and mix it up really well and kind of smash it as you go along. And what this will do is impart not only the flavor but the fragrance too, which is gonna bring so much more life into your baked goods, be it a cake, be it cookies, be it whatever dessert that you're wanting to use lemon for, or whatever flavor you like. You can use orange. A lot of people even like to keep a split vanilla bean in a jar of sugar, and that way it infuses and permeates the sugar with the vanilla scent, and they put it in their coffee, put it in their cakes, their cinnamon rolls, whatever it is that you're using it for. So don't be afraid to play with the flavors and the sugars. It smells amazing. Look at that. Lemon infused sugar. Keep this in an airtight container and use it as you please. All right, that's Keisha's Tips here at Kitchen Bravo. Have a great one.